Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I'm here with two more stuffed ephemera or bags stuffed with ephemera. I don't know what to call these. I was inspired by Lori to do these. Lori Fisco, Girl on the Ridge. She made some beautiful ones and I thought I would put my take on it, and I've made three now. But I'm going to try to flip through both of these at once. If I don't get to the second one, I'll do another video. But I'm hoping to get through these. And I will link everybody below that I've used in these. I'll try to get everybody that I've used. And instead of saying it a million times. But I know, I'll say it a few times because that's the way I am. Oh my goodness. These are just made out of bags. And this is a stuffed one. Oh my goodness. They are really stuffed. This is the back of this one. And the first little pocket, I just put two different layers of lace, and then this applique right here with this little flower on it. And then the first pocket that flips down, kind of scared to pull on things because I have so much in here that I don't remember what comes out and what don't come out. Okay, so inside we have one of my little layered pieces that I made, and it can be used, all this stuff can be used in your journals or just to look at because it's so cute. I made a little booklet out of that. Tuck that in there. This is just one of my little layered pieces right here. My dog is going bonkers back there. I don't know what crawled up his rear, but boy, is he hyped out this evening. Little stink box. And this is a little tea card that I sewed on. And behind, then you flip this one down. And I have this envelope right here. And I have to take that off because then this will fall out. And I just put a little snippet on the top of this one. And I added, some of my stuff is backed on coffee dyed paper, some is not, because I wanted it to be all different textures. And I just slid this one in here like that. And then I put this little tiny Tim paper clip on there just so it will hold this up, because I want the layered look, as on the side to look cohesive, I guess. I don't know. I love this vintage old photo right here. It's so awesome. And I just tuck those in there. And you flip that one down, and you have, I backed this on coffee dyed or cardstock, and then I just layered on there a little bit. And I just left this as like a little pull tab she can hang things off of if she wants to. And I have these. These two are backed on coffee dyed paper, and then this one is an old vintage postcard. I think I've showed this postcard in like, I don't know how many videos now. But it's finally going bye-bye. Oh, I love it though. It's so cute. I can't remember if I had this over here and this over there. I think that's how I had it. And then, because I always like my things to peek out behind each other just a little bit. Kind of like that. Let me flip that down. And Trina, I'm going to link her YouTube below in my description box, and you should go check her out because she's got some cute ideas over there and some good videos to be watched. So yeah, go check her out because she made this little guy right here, and I just used it as a tuck spot for my tag that I made. I just tuck that in there, and then in this bag we have these two. This is really old. I think I got that from Old Design Shop. Pretty sure I did. And then I just tucked these back in here like that. I'll straighten them all out later. Then we got this little pocket, which I just clipped this little guy on there. It can be taken off. I just liked it to be on there. And then we got a tag inside. Then you flip that one forward. We got this pocket with this beautiful lady card. And then these can be taken off. I just sewed them together, but it can be clipped off and used throughout or in a different journal. And part of my old sewing tab right there. In this pocket, we have this big piece of ephemera. And this big tag. It's got a bunch of layering on it. And this one. I just stuffed those ones in there. Flip that forward. We have a CD case holder here. And I just put this as a tab and a little tuck spot right here. And some trim. And we got an old vintage letter in here. And an, I think that's Artie Mae's journaling card. And some dog hair. Oh, that little varmint. Oh my goodness, my animals. And then I just set them in like that. Flip it forward. We have this bag, which this is the back bag. And I just added some fancy little pretty trim. This little collage piece. And this is one of my tags that I made, which I love. And this old preparation poultry, fish, butter, and eggs and for freezing. It's a really old piece of ephemera. Stuck that in there. And then on the inside of the bag, I have glue over there. On the inside of the bag, we have this big journaling card. And this one. And here is the little journal that comes with it. And it has a journaling card inside there. And it's just got different pages in here. And yeah. And this is the pocket back here. And all this yumminess can be, you could decorate this little journal a little bit more with that. I love these. These are so fun to make. And then flip it all back up. And on the back, we have a lace pocket here. And then we have one of these little book page pockets that I made here. And this little journaling card. Oopsie. I don't want to mess it up. Add this mushroom. And then this beautiful card. I love this one. This is one of my favorite ones. I don't know. I'm weirdo, but I love those ones. And yeah, then you just flip it back over without spilling everything. Because I'm good at that. And you just tie a knot or tie your bow back up. But I'm going to try to get through the second one really quick. I'll do that later. Here's this one. And this one's more a shabby-ish. And again, I just did some layering right here. And in this pocket, we have this one. A lot more sewing pieces in this one. And mostly My Porch prints in this one. I love these. These are all so gorgeous. I love them. And then you flip this down. We have this pocket. We have this journaling card. This one. And then this little booklet here. And that is what's in these. Or this bag right here. Oopsie. Oh, my allergies are horrible. And then we have another Trina little doodad right here, which I love. I just added it to the side of this CD case. It's so cute. And a little tabby, a little ticket. And in the case we have these two, which is coffee dyed on the back. I want that one in the front so you can see it through the CD holder. And I just kind of put them like that so they layer up correctly. Just did some layering right here. And then we have this journaling card. All these goodies. I just tucked them all back in there like that. I just love these. They're so fun, Lori. Thanks for sharing this idea because I'm having a blast with them. Total blast. And another little pockets right here. Oops. These are so, oh, these images are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then in here, we have this big little bag journal with just a bunch of different papers and another journaling card. I didn't leave this open for a tuck spot. I just put a doily on that one because, I don't know, wanted them to be different. And this is one of my layering cards I did. And this goes in there. And then this splits up. And on the back of this one, we have these big tags. Yeah. That is my latest stuffed bags, 2 stuffed bags that I did. And, yeah. I just want to share them with you because they're going to go out in the mail tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And see you soon. Bye-bye.